Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to create Photoshop manipulation art from ChatGPT and DeepAI. You don't need to spend hours of editing anymore because AI can now create insane photo manipulation art in just seconds. Okay guys, first open ChatGPT and type this text. Now ChatGPT will create some Photoshop manipulation prompts for you like this. You can generate prompts according to your preference. Okay, first try this surreal manipulation prompt. Just copy this prompt here and jump to this DeepAI website. I will provide this DeepAI site link in the description. Here, just paste the prompt. Here you can choose the image model, preference, style, and the image size or shape. Now just submit. Now here our Photoshop manipulation art is generated. You can download this from here. If you don't like this, just change the shape of the image and submit again. Here we go. You can do the experiment and generate it again and again. And it will generate new art every time. Okay, now let's try this cinematic-dark manipulation prompt. Just copy the prompt and jump to DeepAI, paste the prompt, and submit. Nice. If you don't like this, submit again. And it will generate awesome Photoshop manipulation art for you. Now let's try this nature and fantasy manipulation prompt. I am repeating the same process. So I'm just speeding this up to save your time. I am repeating the same process. Here you can generate unlimited insane photo manipulation art in just seconds. From the help of ChatGPT and DeepAI.